Thank you for watching the Greenfield Parks and Recreation in association with Y Engineering Riley Park Renovation Customer Feedback video. In this video, we will discuss some of the ideas and concepts being posed to renovate Riley Park over the next 5 to 10 years. It's important to note we are only in the planning stages and we are looking specifically at the first stage of this Riley Park master plan. With the help of Y Engineering, the first concept we are looking to gain public input into is the new teen, youth, adult wellness zone. The Greenfield Parks and Recreation Master Plan can be found on the City of Greenfield's website under the Parks tab and Parks Board. Although Riley Park has recently had a multi-million-dollar investment in the aquatics facility, Riley Park sits on 40 acres, and given the public feedback on the master plan, we are prioritizing the renovations. The vision for the Riley Park is to renovate the lower level based partially on the public feedback for the master plan, changes to the park usage over recent years, and concluded by permit eligibility by the Department of Natural Resources, or DNR, to build and construct in various areas. As you can see from this map, we are looking to create borderless zones within the park to target various groups. For example, the adult wellness and child playgrounds are already structured and require upgrades and renovations to those areas. Areas like the historical area and the youth, teen, adult wellness zone are new additions to this project. Stage 1 is solely focused on the teen and young adult wellness and would be in the area that currently occupies the baseball diamonds. This slide highlights the challenges facing the parks when it comes to permitting from the Department of Natural Resources to build structures in Riley Park. In short, we are prohibited from building any new structures in the floodway, which you can clearly see marked here. It covers a little over 19 acres of Riley Park. This places the largest challenge within the concept of the planning for this particular park. We want to solely focus on the teen and young adult area in the northwest corner of Riley Park. So now we've actually shared some of the reasoning and restrictions facing this vision plan. We would now like to share some of the concepts and ideas around the first stages of creating this vision. This area will include a pump track, which would be suitable for beginners and advanced riders to enjoy year-round, with the option to use as an RC track as a potential option. The new and updated skate park with the public priorities in the master plan and would require removing the old skate park out of the floodway and building a new facility in the area. The largest portion would be the addition of a multi-purpose field and sports play area, mostly AstroTurf, but not limited to soccer, lacrosse, and football, with an idea of a walking/athletic track around the field. The removal of the old basketball courts out of the floodway and upgrading them and moving into the new location with the option to provide either a pavilion or a roof to allow for more year-round play. Currently, the buildings located in this area are due an upgrade to allow for restrooms, storage, and potentially concessions for any type of programming that can be done. Please remember these pictures are purely for concept reasons only and to help with the visualization. And what we are now looking to do is for you to go and take the survey with these 6 major priorities for the teen and youth wellness area. The survey will allow us to kind of rank in order the priority that you want to see those structures put in place. Because we are limited on budgets and funding, the zone of the park may be developed in phases, a list of amenities from 1 to 6 in order you would like to see them developed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please go and click on the link to the survey, whether you are on social media or on the park's website itself. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you.